So guys, if you don't heart my video, I have 3 friends. Ashen Grace Martin, Piela Cruz Lao, and me, Riley Morel Castillo, Idia. And I know my daddy's name, Ralph Maurice, and Cece's sister, Cia. Labi Michelle. Labi Michelle is my mom. Ralph Maurice is my daddy. So, Sisi buy me everything what anong gusto ko. And she check out it. So, guys, dapat mag-subscribe kayo sa akin pag hindi magagalit yung mom ko at daddy ko. Pag hindi kayo nag-subscribe sa akin. And my friend is Frahana Tipangkong. So that's are my friends and my mom and my parents. So if you don't heart it again, I'll be so mad to you. Because because I have a 2 house. My daddy purchased me wala akong pasok. Like so guys, dito nagkakaroon ako ng bonds. Okay, wait. So guys, I'm back. It's me na road trip. If you don't subscribe at me again, I'll be so mad to you. So subscribe and share and like this video and heart me on the TikTok. Okay.